So today we're gonna show you how to replace the battery on a 2014 Ram 1500 ProMaster, and we're gonna show you a little bit of the process so that way you can do it. So for replacing the battery on this vehicle, we have to remove this piece of the floor, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little clips. We have to use a screwdriver and rotate them to undo them. And now we have to remove this 12mm nut right here that holds this bracket down, which holds the battery in place. And then we have to disconnect negative terminal and then the positive terminal. Now that we have removed the bracket, we remove the negative terminal. And for this one, we just pull this tab away and it loosens the wire from the post, and we just pull it up. So for this side, on the positive side, we have to lift this tab, get this fuse, which is wrapped on this foam, out, and then we can remove this cover off so we can disconnect the positive terminal here. To remove this plastic, we pull on this tab and this tab together in, and then we pull this plastic cover up, and now we expose the positive area, which we have to loosen that nut right there to take off the terminal off of the post. To loosen that nut, we're using a 10mm wrench. So now that we have loosened that 10mm nut, we just grab this structure, move it around and pull it away so this clamp comes out from the post. Now we have the battery. Now we can pull it off and take it out of there. Okay, so we have taken out the battery from the compartment and we have it right out here. This van takes or requires an H8 series battery. So that's what we're gonna replace it with. And we're using Duralast, so we're gonna go ahead and swap it. So now we have our battery and we have removed the new battery terminal protectors, negative, positive. And what we're gonna be doing, we wanna make sure that the positive ends up towards the driver's side and the negative towards the passenger side. And with that, let's put our battery right in there. So now that we have our battery in there, we connect the positive terminal first and then the negative. So now that we have installed the positive terminal and the structure over it, we tighten that 10mm nut. Now that we have connected and tightened in the nut, now we can put the cover to protect this area. Now this fuse, we bring it over and we pass it underneath this clip and we secure it right in there. Now we bring the negative to the post, we put it on, and then we clip on the locking device on this case. We make sure that the terminal falls right into the post all the way down, push it, it's locked. Now we can push this and lock it and tighten it. So now we put this bracket, we put it on the front first, like that, and then slide it into the crack and then put it down so it falls right in there with these bolts facing up. So now we grab this one, we put it right in the cracks of the other one, we slide it through the bolt, we put the nut and tighten it down. Now we just grab our cover, we guide those two clips into the front, right into those grooves, and then we tighten or we lock the locking devices all the way around. And last one, we just turn this one right there and we lock it. So there's 6 of them, 3 on the front, 1 right underneath over there, and 3 on the back, but one is turned by fingers and the other ones you need a screwdriver. And that's how easy it is to replace this battery on this vehicle.